Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pasta hayashi, a comforting Japanese-style dish. This unique meal features tender beef and mushrooms in a rich, savory sauce, traditionally served over spaghetti. We will cover everything from preparing the ingredients to simmering the perfect sauce, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. Get ready to create a flavorful and satisfying meal that your family will adore. Now let's dive into making the heart of our dish, the hayashi sauce. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef or thinly sliced beef, then set it aside. In the same pan, sauté 1 large diced onion, 3 stalks of celery, and 3 cloves of minced garlic until they are wonderfully fragrant and soft. Next, add 3/4 cup of chopped mushrooms and 1 diced tomato, cooking until tender. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 cup of red wine, and 3 cups of water or beef broth, simmering for 15 minutes to develop those deep flavors. With our sauce simmering beautifully, it's time to prepare the pasta and bring everything together. Cook 8 ounces of spaghetti or your favorite pasta until it's perfectly al dente, following the package instructions. Once the pasta is ready, drain it well. Now, return the cooked beef to your hayashi sauce, stirring in 4 cubes of hayashi rice sauce mix until fully dissolved. Let the sauce simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing it to thicken and coat all the delicious ingredients. Your delicious pasta hayashi is now ready to be served. Spoon the rich, savory hayashi sauce generously over a bed of hot, freshly cooked spaghetti. For a touch of freshness and vibrant color, garnish your dish with a sprinkle of finely chopped parsley. If you desire extra richness, a dash of grated Parmesan cheese or a dollop of sour cream can elevate the flavors even further. This comforting and flavorful Japanese-inspired pasta dish is best enjoyed immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.